ਹੈਲੋ एवरीवन। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਮਾਸਟਰ ਕੇਡਰ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ 6th ਲੈਕਚਰ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਆਰਗੈਨਿਕ ਦਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਕਸਟ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਮੈਟਲ ਦੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਲੈਟਸ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਦਿਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ। ਫਰਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਜ਼ ਦੀ ਸੋਡੀਅਮ ਇਜ਼ obtained by electrolysis of dash in Castner's process। आंसर इज दी fused caustic soda। नेक्स्ट आ गया क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस एट कैथोड ड्यूरिंग इलैक्ट्रोलिसिस इन कास्टनर्स प्रोसेस। तो इस केस के अगर आप ए तो बी ऑप्शन चैक करिए तो ये दोनों ही सही ने, दैट इज़ दी ए एंड बी, मीनस ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज़ द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज़ द क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द बाथ शुड बी नियर अबाउट द डैश ऑफ द कास्टिक सोडा इन कास्टनर्स प्रोसेस। The answer of this question is the melting point, which is the second option. Next आ गया question number 4, match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer using the codes given below। Answer of this question is the B, means code wise जो answer बन रहे that is the B। Next आ गया fifth question, carnallite minerals are mixed with an equal quantity of dash for the extraction of magnesium। Answer is the B, NaCl। Next is the question number 6, from magnesium obtained by। The answer of this question is the electrolysis of magnesia, Hessing process, Pittsburgh process, means all of the above is the right answer, that is the D option। Question number 7, in Hessing process magnesium oxide is reduced by dash in an electric arc furnaces। The answer of this question is the carbon। In Hessing process, in order to prevent the redeoxidation of magnesium in magnesium oxide, the mixture magnesium vapor and CO is immediately। The answer of this question is the cooled in current of hydrogen and natural gas। Next is the question number 9, sea water is treated with dash whereby magnesium dihydroxide is precipitated during the extraction of magnesium from sea water is। Answer of this question is the calcium dihydroxide, means option number A। Next is the question number 10, fill in the blanks for the following reaction। The answer of this question is the option number A। Next आ गया question number 11, in Hall's process for the extraction of aluminium the ore is fused with। Answer is the sodium bicarbonate, means B option, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3। Next आ गया question number 12, Sparks process is used for aluminium extraction। This process is used for ores containing dash as the cheap impurity, that is the silica। Next is the question number 13, when iron is treated with nitric acid it forms। Answer is the passive iron, that is the option number A। Next is the question number 14, condition essentially required for the rusting of iron includes presence of moisture, presence of weakly acidic atmosphere, presence of impurity in the iron। Answer is the all of the above। Next is the question number 15, the process of recovering nickel metal from the dash is termed as refining of nickel। Answer is the nickel sulfide cobalt sulfide mate, means C option। Next is the question number 16, crude nickel is treated with CO so that nickel is converted into vapors of dash, which on being heated to 180 degrees Celsius or decomposes into 99.9% pure nickel। Answer is the D, nickel tetracarbonyl। Next is the question number 17, copper is the extracted from copper pyrite by dry process, which is also called। Next answer is the smelting process। Next आ गया question number 18, fill in the blanks for the following reaction। Answer is the A option, copper oxide, carbon dioxide and water। Next is the question number 19, aluminium bronze has, that is the option number B, 90% of the copper। Next is the question number 20, identify the compound X in the following reaction। A is the answer of the 20th question। Next is the question number 21, identify the compound X in the following reaction। The answer of this question is the option number A। Next is the question number 22, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer। Here is the aluminium linked with the Beers process, iron is linked with the blast furnace, nickel is linked with the Mons process, D, copper is linked with the froth flotation, means option number B is the right answer। नेक्स्ट आ गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. ड्यूरिंग द एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ आयरन फ्रॉम हेमाइट लेमिनासाइट is added to the blast furnace to remove silica as a slag. That is the option number A. Next is the 24th question. In the electrolytic purification of crude aluminium, the addition of fused kaolite and fluorspar to aluminium oxide causes. The answer of this question is the option number B, lowering of fusion temperature of aluminium oxide. Next is the question number 25. Extraction of aluminium from aluminium oxide is best done by. Answer is the reduction of aluminium oxide with the carbon is the best correct answer for this question. Next is the question number 26. Sodium metal is obtained by. Sodium metal answer, best suitable answer for this question is the electrolysis of fused NaCl, C option. Next is the 27th question. Sodium is extracted from. Kastner process is the right answer also. Dawn's process is the also right one. Means both are correct. Means C option is the right answer. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Haber process, manufacturing of ammonia is the right answer. Next is the Beer's process, manufacturing of sulfuric acid. No, because Beer process is used for the manufacturing of aluminium. Next is the Baekeland process, manufacturing of nitric acid, right. Solvay process, manufacturing of sodium carbonate was also right. Means first, third, the fourth सही नहीं. Means B option is the right answer for this question. Next is the 29th question. In the extraction of nickel by Mond's process, the metal is obtained by. Answer is the thermal decomposition, which is the B option. Next is the question number 30. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. First is the zinc. Zinc is linked with the calamine. Next is the B, that is the tin, also linked with the casterite. Next is the copper. Copper linked with azurite. Next is the magnesium, is linked with the carinolite. Means B option is the right answer. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like it. Goodbye.